Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to convert a PDF to an Excel without any app. Well, the first thing we're going to do is to open our PDF file. As you can see, I have this one, which is about Buenos Aires, an Argentinian city. Fine, once you have this file in your PC, what you're going to do is to open your Excel. You're going to open a new sheet also, and then we're going to data and get data from file. And here we're going to use our PDF, right? So we are going to press on from PDF. Now we're going to look for it. As you can see, it is right here. We're going to press import. And now it has detected every single page which is on our PDF, right? This one. So now, for example, if I open this one, we have one table, or for example, this one, we have this table, which we can add to our Excel sheet. The only thing that we have to do is to load. And now, after a few seconds, we are going to have all the data from the PDF and the table that we selected on our Excel sheet, right? So if you have any question or any suggestion, please leave it in the comments below. We hope this tutorial has helped you. If you want to see more videos like this one, we invite you to subscribe to our channel.